Okay, so we're going to look at a better way to make our Spanish cards now that we have our Spanish note type. Okay, and let's say that we wanted to go and find an image for the cat. Okay, so we're going to make a card that has cat in it. And so if we just search for cat, we find that we get all kinds of nice photos, but it's probably better to have a more distinct image. And so we'll go to our settings, we'll go to advanced search. Okay, so we're in Google Images. In Google, we go to advanced search. And in here, we go down to the type of image. And so for type of image, we're going to say clip art. Okay, so these are images that don't take much space. And so they can be a good thing to do. And let's say that we take this happy cat here. Okay, and we're going to do save image as, and we're going to call it a happy cat. Okay? And I'm going to put it in my images directory. So I'm on a Mac, but you could put it in downloads if you were on a Windows machine. So now we go over to Anki. We say, okay, I'm going to add a card. The type is Spanish Basic. And on the front, I'm going to put in that image of the cat. And so here it is. So it found it. Happy cat image. You might have to look harder in yours. And so the one bad thing is I don't think we can crop this image very much. And you might say, well, that's the front, but where's the back? You have to scroll down, and there's the back. And so in ours, we'll want to say El Gato. El Gato. And we can add a tag, Spanish here. Okay. And there we have our card. We've added it. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like. So if we go to Browse, and we click on Added Today, so there's our card. And let's preview it. So Spanish for this, El Gato, we say to ourselves, El Gato, cat. Right? Oh, there's a card I made that wasn't good. Okay, so you can see it doesn't make sense to have cat, okay, because what we really want is El Gato. So here's the new card I made. See the sky, it's Spanish, El Gato. Okay, and then what will come next? El Gato, Spanish. And so rather than thinking cat, it's better if you say, oh, and you have an image, that's what it means. So you don't think in English at all. And there it is. If I see El Gato, I want to have the image of cat. And so that's the better way. And if you ever use Rosetta Stone, you'll see that they never use English. They only use pictures and Spanish when they're teaching Americans how to speak Spanish.